Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious biscuits at home using your air fryer, an incredibly easy method. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including self-rising flour, cold butter, and milk. We'll start by combining the dry ingredients, then carefully cut in the butter until it resembles coarse crumbs. Finally, gently add the milk to bring the dough together, being careful not to overmix for tender biscuits. Once your dough is ready, lightly flour a surface and roll it out to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a 2-inch round cutter or even a knife for square biscuits to shape them. Arrange the cut biscuits in a single layer in your air fryer basket, ensuring they don't touch. Before cooking, preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes to ensure even baking and a golden brown finish. Hey everyone, if you're finding these biscuit tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: making biscuits can be warm work, so stay hydrated anywhere with the fantastic Owala water bottle. It keeps your drinks perfectly cold. Check the description for a link to grab yours and discover other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the magic. Place your prepared biscuits into the preheated air fryer. Cook them for approximately 8 to 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember to flip them halfway through to ensure both sides achieve that beautiful golden brown color and a perfectly crisp exterior. Once done, remove them carefully and serve immediately. They are absolutely delicious warm with a pat of butter or a dollop of jam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.